The truth about fluency. Many people imagine fluency as speaking perfectly. That's not fluency. Fluency means expressing yourself comfortably even when you make mistakes. Native speakers make mistakes too. They pause, they forget words, they correct themselves. Fluency isn't perfection, it's communication. If you have been learning English for months or maybe even years, but you still stuck or freeze when someone starts speaking to you in English, then this video might save you years of frustration because I made almost every mistake possible. I memorized grammar rules, I learned vocabulary list, I watched countless videos. And yet when it was time to speak, my mind went blank. Today I'm gonna share what actually worked or what completely wasted my time and the exact mindset that finally helped me make progress. This is not theory, this is experience. So let's start with something uncomfortable. Most people are learning English the same way they learnt school subjects. They treat English like a subject to study. English is not just a subject, it's a skill, and skills are built through practice, not memorization. Imagine someone reading books about swimming for 3 years. They know every technique, they know every rule, but they never enter the water. Would you call them a swimmer? Of course not. Yet, that's exactly what millions of English learners do. They keep studying, but they never truly use the language. The mistakes that cost me years. Mistake number 1, grammar obsession. I believed I needed perfect grammar before speaking, and that belief slowed me down more than anything else. Because every sentence became an exam, every conversation became a test. Instead of communicating, I was constantly trying to avoid mistakes. And ironically, that made me speak even less. Mistake number 2, waiting for confidence. I thought confidence would come first, then I would start speaking. But confidence doesn't come before action. Confidence comes from action. The people who seem confident today were awkward beginners once. Mistake number 3, learning too much, using too little. Every day I consumed content, videos, tips, lessons, tutorials, but I wasn't creating enough output. I was just learning information about English instead of actually using English. Let's talk about what actually works. Rule number 1, massive listening. Before speaking comes understanding. The more English you listen, the more naturally it starts to feel. Don't just watch educational content, watch what you love. If you like vlogs, watch vlogs in English. If you like comedy or any funny videos, watch about those topics in English. Rule number 2, think in English. Stop translating every sentence. It's okay if you are very beginner in learning English, but if you are an advanced English learners, then stop translating every sentence because translation creates delay. Fluency requires direct connection between thought and language. Start small, look at the chair and think, that's my chair. Look at outside and think, it's getting dark outside. Simple thoughts create powerful habits. Rule number 3, speak before you are ready. One of the most important lessons I learned is this: you will never feel completely ready. Start small, start anyway, make mistakes, sound awkward, speak badly. That's how improvement happens. The truth about fluency. Many people imagine fluency as speaking perfectly. That's not fluency. Fluency means expressing yourself comfortably even when you make mistakes. Native speakers make mistakes too. They pause, they forget words, they correct themselves. Fluency isn't perfection, it's communication. My daily system or routine, every day I read something interesting in English. I read for 20 minutes or 30 minutes maybe, and then I watch some videos on YouTube. Whatever I like, I just go for that. I also write some English story, very simple story. I love to write. Then I also talk to one of my friend over the phone for 1 hour. Then I also make video like this video. So it is also the part of my routine or my system. Yeah, that's all about me. Brutal truths nobody wants to hear. There is no magic app, no secret course, no 30-day fluency challenge, no shortcut. Fluency rewards consistency, not intensity. A person who practices 1 hour daily for a year will beat someone who studies 10 hours for 1 week. If I could go back and give my younger self one piece of advice, it would be this: stop searching for the perfect method, start using the language, make mistakes, get embarrassed, keep going, because every fluent speaker you admire today was once beginner who sounded terrible. They did not become fluent because they were talented. They became fluent because they refused to quit. If you are willing to do the same, your future self will thank you.